everyone! In this video you're going to learn 4 different ways to style the Celeste dress. The Celeste dress is a fantastic dress with pockets made out of organic cotton double gauze. Hi, I'm Jenny from Modern Shibori, and today I'm going to show you one dress and 4 different looks you can get out of it. There are beach casual looks, there are more structured looks for work, and also even a work conference if you're doing a conference. And then also a date night look, and also we'll end with the very fancy wedding or fancy dinner look. So first of all, this is a Celeste dress. It is a beautiful A-line dress that I designed. It's got a high-low, so high in the front and low on the sides. It has pockets and also a tunnel in the back, which is really fantastic because it adds a lot of versatility. So the tunnel in the back, you can actually take the tie that it comes with and adjust the gathers to give yourself a little bit more of a flowy but yet still A-line look, or you can actually take the ties from the back to the front and tie the tie as a belt. So that's a pretty nice feature actually. It gives you just a little bit of versatility if you want a little bit of structure, just like that. The other options are and you can see how pretty it is in the back of these gathers. It just feels really nice. The other options are you can take the tie out actually all the way from here and use your own belt, or even you can substitute it with this oblong scarf, and you can just basically throw it through the tunnel in the back there, and it can also act as a belt. So this lovely Celeste dress is very, very versatile. So the first look that I've got for you is a nice beachy look. I'm just going to tie the tie again, so I'll show you how to do that. You just cinch up the ends and then do a little pretzel and then a bow if you want a bow, and it will stay really nicely. Like I said, it just gives you a little bit of added fittedness throughout the length of the body. And then I'm going to use a cotton double gauze scarf. So this is a really beautiful scarf that's 2 layers of cotton that have been woven together and complete my beachy look. So I've got a really nice little abalone necklace on. This is from Miss T Vintage and Records, and she's a good friend of mine. She's in Oakland. She's got this really lovely vintage shop, and so throughout this video I'm going to be showing you different accessories from Miss T's Vintage. Okay, so this is a really lovely scarf. You know, I can wear it like this easy. I can take it around the neck and just weave it into a little woven ascot type of deal, which is also great because it actually just stays on your neck, which is nice. You know, and then you can imagine sitting around in a beach chair, you know, reading a book or something like that, and your neck is just nice and warm. So that's a really great one. Add a little hat. And I always wear clogs, so I love because you can just kick them off and on. So it's a very cute little look. So that's the first look. The next look is going to be a date night look. So say you are going on a date, maybe you're on vacation or something, you can pair it with a cardigan. So again, this is borrowed from Miss T Vintage and Records. She's selling this one. It's an Angora cardigan. So if you've got a little cardigan, the blue I thought just goes really nicely with the blue that's down at the bottom of this hem. So, and everything, all the Celeste dresses are dyed with natural dyes. So this is actually dyed with indigo and weld, which is a yellow flower. And so see how cute that is. So it basically just is a great little shape. It just kind of nips in right there, especially with the tie in the back. I can pair it with a nice scarf if I want to. You know, I would probably take off this necklace and pair it with a nice scarf. I can actually change my earrings out too, which I think I'll do. Or actually, maybe I think I'll leave these in. So yeah. And again, you can just easily do something like this. A cute little double knot if you wanted to. And then pair it with this necklace, which is really pretty if you want. So instead of the scarf, you can actually even take the tie out, I would suggest, and put the scarf around as a belt. So the tie's out. I put the scarf through the tunnel, and this just gives a little bit of shape. You know, you're going out on a date, you want to be beautiful and comfortable as well. I would add a little statement necklace like this. So this again is from Tracy, my friend Tracy's shop. It's a really beautiful glass necklace. And this one she's selling for $28. And so I would just put this around like this, like a little choker. And I just think it makes, just kind of completes the look. It's in this really beautiful little like springtime pastel, which is so pretty. See how that is so nice. And then you've got some nice earrings that are fun. And you know, the little bolero shape. So I think that's really, really beautiful. And again, you would probably take the tie out at that point. But this is really cute. You can add a hat if you want to add a hat, but you don't need to. So that's the date night look. The other look I have is kind of a more structured look. So, you know, say you are going on a work trip and yet it's in a hot country, which does happen. So you want to figure out like, okay, what is going to be a great dress that I can wear that's very versatile, easy to launder, and looks beautiful and is easy to wear because, you know, if you're working in a hot climate, you want to be able to feel good, be able to concentrate and focus, get your work done, which is important. And so I think that this type of dress is just, the Celeste dress is just perfect for it. So I would change out my earrings. So I'm changing my earrings to something a little more conservative. This is really beautiful little bead earrings by Love or Rue. You can wear posts, you can wear, you know, just some really beautiful, simple, understated earrings that don't scream, you know, I'm on a beach vacation, because you want to definitely be concentrating on work and everything. I would probably change out my necklace too. Maybe I would bring this necklace actually with me, but something like it. But for day, you know, you want to be presentable and everything and structured. So I would add a nice little necklace like this. Again, this is Tracy's Miss T Vintage, and I'll have prices for you on this one. But this is a really beautiful little glass necklace, and you can see it just goes with every color because it has so many beautiful colors in it. So I'm putting this on over the Celeste dress, and this is look number 3. So more structured, and so I'm just putting on a white blazer because I figure, you know, everyone's going to be wearing, you know, at work, something a bit more structured like this, and a belt like this. So this belt is a really nice belt because it's just a really nice neutral color, but it's also kind of it's a patent leather, so it's a little bit dressy. So I like to bring a belt like this just because, you know, it's easy to mix in with a lot of other colors and everything. So again, I would have taken the tie out of the back, zipped it right through that tunnel, and then put the belt on, and voila, here we are. We've got a nice structured look, you know, for day. That is the third look, and the next and last look is actually going to be a look that you can actually take to, you can actually wear if you're going to a wedding, if you're going to a special family reunion or some kind of other dressy occasion. This is the all occasion dress, so I'm showing you that. So basically I think what I'll do is change out I'll keep the belt on, okay, and so I would have taken out the tie and keep the belt in through the tunnel. And I've got this really lovely bolero, and it's just like this gorgeous little blue knit piece from Miss T Records and Vintage. And I'm going to put this on. I'm going to put back on the lovely necklace here. I think is so pretty. And it really, a statement necklace like this really dresses everything up. So put this on. And then I'm going to also probably grab a little hat. So you can see, I'll take this one off. And there we go. So I've just kept the belt on. It would have been, I would have had it go all the way through the back of the tunnel. And you have this little bolero. It's very comfortable. And if you want, you could actually add a little hat. So this is a cute little hat as well. And a little handbag or something like that, a little clutch would be really nice too. So this is the fourth and most dressy way to wear the Celeste dress. Change out your shoes, maybe some silver metallic shoes or something to match the belt if you wanted to. And that would also be really nice.